discuss about the example related to the mathematical expectation valid for continuous random variable. The second segment of the examples is nothing but calculation of the expectation for the continuous random variable. Now, how we bifurcate or distinguish between the discrete random variable and continuous random variable? Discrete random variable mein it is distinctly numbers are countable. In case of continuous random variable, they are not distinctly countable, and usually it is given in the form of interval or the range. So accordingly, for a case of continuous random variable, we calculate the mean, and we have seen the formula for continuous random variable. What will be the expectation of x? It is integral from minus infinity to infinity f of x dx, right? So this is how we calculate the expectation for the continuous random variable. अभी इन्होंने बोला है find the mean. Mean is also the synonym or the similar word for what term? For mathematical expectation or average or arithmetic mean. तो मीन निकालना, यानी उन्होंने अपने को बोला है calculate the mathematical expectation. How is it given? For a less than x less than b, the value of function is 1 upon b minus a and 0 otherwise. Afterwards, you are also expected to calculate e of x square. So mean is nothing but expectation of x, which is given by integral from minus infinity to infinity x into f of x dx. But मेरा रेंज जो है वो कहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है? a से लेकर b तक. That means I won't be having it up to a. From minus infinity, function is 0. From b to infinity, function is 0. Only the function is valid for integral a to b x into f of x dx. Now, what is f of x available for the range a to b? It is 1 upon b minus a. But उसका integration से लेना देना नहीं है. Integration is to be done with respect to x only. F of x is constant 1 upon b minus a taken outside the integral. So only integration क्या बचता है? Integral a to b x dx. I hope you understood the definition. This is the definition. Integral minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx is the definition of expectation of x for the continuous random variable. But x multiplied by f of x, what is value for f of x in the region? It is valid for the region a to b. So this interval minus infinity to infinity will be converted to the interval a to b. a to b में f of x का value put कर दो 1 upon b minus a. But 1 upon b minus a has nothing to do with the integration. Take it outside. तो क्या बचेगा? Integral a to b x dx. What is integration of x? X square by 2. Put the value upper limit as b, lower limit as a. B square minus a square. B square minus a square is b plus a, b minus a. B minus a cancel. क्या बचा? b plus a upon 2, which can be written as a plus b upon 2. So what is the mean or the expectation for the continuous random variable defined by? It is coming out as b plus a by 2, या उसको बोल सकते हैं a plus b by 2. Here it is b square minus a square. B square minus a square is b plus a, b minus a. B minus a cancel. B plus a can be written as a plus b. So that is how we calculated the mean. अभी क्वेश्चन बचा है expectation of x square. How you calculate expectation of x square? X square multiplied by f of x. F of x is valid for the range a to b, which is 1 upon b minus a. Take it outside the integral. Yes.
सर डायरेक्टली इंटीग्रेशन ए टू बी नहीं लेके आता सर?
किस कर सकते ना, कर सकते
सर वो इंस्टेड ऑफ माइनस इंफिनिटी टू ए
कर सकते. यस यस. हियर दे हैव ओनली शोन कि माइनस इंफिनिटी टू ए तक अपना फंक्शन डिफाइंड नहीं है, तो आई कैन नॉट गो विद दिस. एंड हियर b to infinity के लिए भी फंक्शन डिफाइंड नहीं है, बट इफ यू राइट इट स्टिल इट इज fine. If you don't write it, it is perfectly all right, no issue about it, right? So here the function will be always zero, otherwise bola hai na. So for other values belonging apart from that range, the value will always be zero. So nahi likha to bhi chalega, we are only restricting ourselves to the range or the interval a to b. So f of x ka value is 1 upon b minus a. So 1 upon b minus a outside integration of x square. What is integration of x square? X cube by 3. So do the integration, substitute the upper limit, lower limit. What is the simplification or the formula for b cube minus a cube? It is b minus a, b square plus ab plus a square. A cube minus b cube का formula है a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So accordingly, again I am cancelling here b minus a, and we are left with b square plus ba plus a square upon 3. So this was the another example related to the continuous random variable wherein we are calculating the expectation of x square. I hope the point is clear, how you calculate the expectation of x and how you calculate the expectation of x square for continuous random variable. Any difficulty?
No, sir.
Yeah. Now, next question which is provided is a random variable x has a density function f of x given by 2 e to the power minus 2x, where x is greater than equal to 0 and a 0 for x less than 0. So we have to find the expectation of x and we have to find the expectation of x square. So in this case, what is the formula? Integral from minus infinity to infinity, x multiplied by f of x dx. Now can anybody tell me what will be the range of integration in our question now?
minus infinity to 0, 0 to infinity.
Yes. So is function defined for minus infinity to 0? No, its value is 0. So ultimately मेरा function किसके लिए लिया जाएगा? For the interval 0 to infinity, and that function is 2 into e to the power minus x. Not to worry, when the index is negative and limit is infinity, e to the power minus infinity क्या होता है? 0 होता है. So similarly, as per the formula, I go between minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx. Ultimately, it is reduced to 0 to infinity x multiplied by 2 e to the power minus 2x dx. इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स, जब प्रोडक्ट लिया जाता है, प्रोडक्ट का इंटीग्रेशन लिया जाता है, वी अप्लाई इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स. व्हाट डज इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स सेज? लिएट रूल से पहले a लेना है,
Eilert rule.
yes, and then exponential term. So e to the power minus 2x will be last, first term will be x. Do integration x into e to the power minus 2x upon minus 2 minus derivative of x minus 2 as it is, and again integration of e to the power minus 2x. So accordingly e to the power minus infinity क्या होता है? 0. 0 multiplied by this value will be 0. Lower limit में 0 multiplied by this will be 0. So ultimately मेरा आंसर क्या आता है? 0. Minus of minus will become plus. 1 by 2 बाहर. Again integration of e to the power minus 2x upon minus 2. Put the limit 0 to infinity. E to the power minus infinity is 0. E to the power 0 is 1. After solving, we get the answer as expectation of x is 1 by 2. Similarly, we have to again find out the value of expectation of x square. What will be the definition as per the expectation of x? It will be x square into 2 e to the power minus 2x dx. So again apply integration by parts. One more additional term will be there because this derivative will be 2x and then that derivative is going to be 2. Always remember what is generalized rule for integration by parts? U into integration of v minus u dash into double integration of v plus u double dash into triple integration of v. This is the generalized rule for integration by parts. उससे सॉल्व करो इंटीग्रेशन, एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर क्या आना चाहिए आपका आंसर? our answer should come out as for expectation of x square as half. This is what the example is related to the